Here's Shortn App, short viral video hits, your daily scroll therapy. It's quite popular app. I don't know. It's obviously not competitor to TikTok, but it's kind of another kind of TikTok-like meme app. Shortn helps you scroll away in boredom in 30 seconds or less. Whether into pranks, weird moments, memes, or unexpected internet brilliance, Shortn learns what you like and delivers it. And now your scroll has a location. With the map, you can explore what's trending nearby, like viral videos, fresh memes, real moments from people around you. Always spot on the feed, the vibe just right. So yeah, it's kind of TikTok meme app. Let's just open it up. There are obviously a lot of ads in here. So this is how it works. Like, you can get started, you can create an account, your notifications. So then that's just how you create an account easily with your Apple ID. Did profile settings. Appeal support, and then you can just tap plus to upload videos. I don't know, can you earn it? Probably not, but that's the idea. That's how you just use the app in here. Memes, yes, your history. So that's what it is.